Hey, here at the No Excuses Summit #2 in Las Vegas, here with Jordan Schultz. And Jordan, a lot of people are struggling nowadays with social media, trying to figure out exactly how to integrate it as a marketing technique. There's a lot of people doing it wrong. What's your probably #1 tip on marketing on Facebook the right way?
You can't be of it.
Social networking is no different than being offline. You're just connecting with people in a different way. You're using the internet. You're using a tool to connect with people. You're not doing it in person. Yeah. And so it's not about trying to like automate it 100%. It's actually about getting in touch with that person, really forming a bond with them, finding out who they are, what they do, maybe what their problems or struggles might be, and find out if there's actually a way in which you can help them or they can help you, because it goes both ways. And then as fast as you can, get that person on the phone. So don't just think that you're gonna add someone as a friend and then just you've got friends, you've got tons of nights, because that's what I did when I started. I had a ton of friends, I had all these numbers, but I had no connections. It's really about forming that deep bond with them. So as soon as you can get them to connect with you and talk to them, then you'll remember who they are, they'll remember who you are, and now you've got a relationship. And that's what this entire industry is all about. So no different. You're just using the internet, and it's awesome.
Appreciate it.
Very cool.
See you next year at the next
Very nice, Jay. Awesome.